Here I have Nokia C31, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the Files application. So here you can transfer downloads, images, videos, audios, documents, and also apps. So let's transfer some image. Let's pick this one. So you just hold your finger on it, tap on three dots here, select if you want to move it or if you want to copy it. So let's copy it and then select SD card. Then select in which folder you want to copy this image. So let's copy it to the images or okay, so I don't have any images folder. Here I have pictures. Copy here. And now we can find this image on our SD card. Pictures, and here it is. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.